there are just some girls that naturally have a clear, good skin. There are some ladies that do not need to do too much, but their skin are always clean, always good. I mean, they use their body lotion on their face and their body lotion on their body, and they have just one normal regular Dettol soap they used to have their bath, and their skin is always on their best. If you're not one of those girlies and you're someone like me that struggles, that usually have one or two skincare concern, or even though she does not have skincare concern, is because she have worked and prevents, and she has a lot she is using. If you check her skincare baskets, it's just a lot of products. If you're someone like that, then stay tuned. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Beauty Mike, and I do everything beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. If you're a return subscriber, thank you for coming back again. So today, I pretty much just want to talk about every woman's skincare concern. I'm very sure I'm not the only one that has different skincare concern for different periods in their life. Like when I was in camp doing my NYSC, my skin was going through a lot of issue. After about 2 weeks of being in camp, then I left camp. I was in a different state where I was serving, and I was still battling with the skincare issues I left camp with. After about 5-6 months, it started to get better because I started venturing into other skincare products, starting to research more, trying to get products that would help with my skin. So I am sure I'm not the only one that has skincare battles or skincare concern that has gone from somewhere to somewhere better, or has even gone from somewhere better to somewhere else and then come back to somewhere good. It happens like that. And even currently, my skin is not at its best. I have had better days than this, trust me. And it's also not at its worst because I've still had worse days than this. So in this video, I'm pretty much just going to talk about a couple of things that would help you understand why your skin is like this, and also how you can contribute in helping your skin feel and look better. If this is something of your interest, then please watch to the end of this video. The first thing on my list is hormones. I am sure you've heard a lot about women hormones. But the truth is that the female hormones plays a lot in the skin wall. Did you know that when you have an increase in your androgen level, it contributes to acne? Did you also know that when you have a decrease in your estrogen level during menopause, it causes dryness of the skin and loss of skin elasticity? So when they talk about how hormones contribute to women's skin, please believe me, and that is why it is good to have supplements that you take, supplements that would help with your hormones, supplements that would help with your skin in general. The first thing I would advise every woman to do is to have a balanced diet. Eat properly. Eat food that are rich in fish, food that are rich in nuts. Eat your veggies, eat your fruits. And I understand that sometimes it is good. Your body just wants to eat something that is unhealthy. I understand, and I won't judge you because I'm part of it too. But basically what I'm trying to say is that if you were trying to watch your health, okay, it is advisable that you watch your diet. Now, if you can't, if you don't like fish, I understand that there are some people that don't like fish, or even some of us that don't eat fish regularly. It is good to have supplements. We're talking about supplements like your omega-3 fatty acid, okay? This would help to supplement for those nuts and fish you are not consuming. You also have your vitamin C tablets, your vitamin E. All of this would help with your skin and help you maintain a good skin. The second thing on my list to help manage your skin is hydration. A hydrated skin is a happy skin. A happy skin is a skin that has a good elasticity, okay? So I will advise you to hydrate yourself. I'm talking about drinking water. I'm talking about using your moisturizer, using product that moisturizes your skin properly, making sure that your skin is hydrated, making sure that the elasticity of your skin is very good, making sure that your skin barrier is not damaged. So like I said, these are just little steps to help, little steps that have helped me, and it still helped me to this day. The third on my list is to have a skincare routine. I know of some people that would come to my DM and tell me, Purity, my skin, snap picture and send to me, this is this is that. Okay, now what is your skincare routine? I don't have a skincare routine. No, I just use any soap I see in the bathroom, and I use any cream I see. I don't. And even when you tell them, okay, this is what I want you to do and get this, they will still not do. It is not right. It is not right that you are complaining about something and you do not want to put in the work to actually see that this thing gets better. So you won't come to my DM complaining about your skin this, your skin that, and you do not have a proper skincare routine as a lady. Why? You don't have a moisturizer, you don't have a toner, you don't have anything for brightening your skin. You are just, and like I said in the beginning of this video, I understand that there are ladies that do not need any of this for their skin to glow good and fine. But if you're like me, watching this video, and you know in your heart that you need to put in the work to have a good skin, then you have to do these things. That is just the truth. There is no corner behind it. You have to put in the work to have a clear and a good skin. Or even though your skin is not so there, but at least your skin is good enough. Something that you are happy, or you feel okay to take out. You are not shy of it. You feel proud to take out. I'm sorry if I'm calling you out, but it's the truth. Okay, you have to put in the work to have a clear skin. You can't keep telling me that you're acne prone and you do not even know the ingredient that is responsible to treat acne. You can't tell me that you're dry skin and you don't know what kind of lotion to use for your dry skin. You can't tell me that you're oily skin and you're using a body lotion that a dry skin person is using. Now. Is that how it's done? If you do not have a skincare problem, no problem or no wahala, keep doing what you're doing. It is working for you. But if you're like me and you need something extra to make sure that you're having the glow that you want for your skin, then you have to put in the work, and you have to also at least bring out some money to get this product. Okay, please, my darlings, have a proper skincare routine for your skin. Have a morning time routine, have a night time routine. Product you use every other day, product you use 3 to 4 times in a week. Exfoliate your skin. Some people have never exfoliated their skin. Some people do not even know that you're not supposed to use a physical exfoliant for your face, and they are always complaining that my skin is this and my skin is that. Honey, it's not fair now. You're not fair to your skin. You're not fair to your skin. You're complaining of acne and you don't even know that salicylic acid is a cleanser that you can use for your acne, or benzoyl peroxide is something you can use for your acne. You're talking about hyperpigmentation and you do not know that you can use things like vitamin C serum, things like tranexamic acid, things like kojic acid, things like niacinamide. Make researches on your skincare concern. Make researches on your skin type. And trust me, you put in the work. I'm not saying that everything you see on social media, you go and buy. No, that's not what I'm saying. If you have the money to try everything out, please be my guest. But I still want to advise you to do that. Just make sure that you make your researches, you get something that works for your skin, and you stick to it, and you put in the work. Okay, don't be lazy in doing your skincare routine. You put in the work, and trust me, you're going to see good results. Now, the fourth thing on my list is stress management. It is not a new thing, but just in case you do not know, chronic stress can impact hormones. Yes, as a woman, not getting enough rest, overstressing yourself can affect your hormones. And like I mentioned earlier, some hormones that can increase and cause you acne, some that reduces, and so on and so on and so forth. Okay, so make sure that you have routines that help manage your stress. Make sure you have a day that you rest, a day you just take in for yourself and you just enjoy yourself as much as you can. You really do not do nothing and you just rest. No matter if you're a 9 to 5 babe, if you are an entrepreneur, you're a business person, you're into the medical field, please make sure you have time to rest. Okay, if you want to take care of your skin, I'm talking to some people that actually want to take care of themselves and take care of their skin. Fifth thing on my list is to exercise, and I'm not talking about going to the gym alone. If you can access a gym, good and fine. I do not go to a gym, but I do my workouts at home Monday to Friday, except for days when it's just an off day. It depends on the kind of workout you want to do. For is it muscle training? Just get something that you make sure that you move your body at least every day for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or about. But make sure that you're having regular exercise. If you still do not want to exercise at home, you can take a walk. And also for my 9 to 5 girlies, if you always take a cab that takes you home directly. You can tell the cab to stop you somewhere and then you walk home. Walking is a form of exercise. You can walk home, just calculate your distance, that is about 20 to 30 minutes from your home. You stop at that location and then you walk home. Like I mentioned, walking is a form of exercise. Just make sure that you are doing something for yourself regularly. Exercising helps to balance the hormones, and this in turn helps to promote a healthy skin. The final thing on my list is to consult a dermatologist. If you have a persistent issue, a recurrent issue, and you feel that this has gotten out of hand, it is advisable that you seek a professional help, because all of this might talk and you feel that you have been doing everything that this lady has been saying and nothing has been working for you. It's advisable you see a dermatologist so you guys will have a one-on-one conversation, and then they'll be able to treat and target your skincare concern. So my darling, this is it for this video. If there is anything you feel I should have added but I did not add, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you. So darlings, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed filming. If there's any video you want me to create for you concerning my niche, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video just for you. And until my next video, I love you. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe. Mwah. Bye guys.